And everybody else was like that too. Okay, well, yeah, we've got to do Christmas, you know, but we'd go to Sun and Fun and start working on the property because, you know, we only had a couple weeks before the fly-in came.
We were out in the sticks out here. This is really a county.
Yeah, this was not considered part of Lakeland.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Glades County in southern Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ortona, or near Palmdale, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lord Haven and Ortona. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Glades, Florida.
If they're copying things that we're doing, we must be doing something right. And then the Southern hospitality. We go